Hi, my name is Harprit and I did the Skills Future Work-Study Specialist Diploma in Human Capital Management. Previously, I pursued the Diploma in Business Management in NYP. So part of the diploma actually requires you to choose a specialization. They actually went through the different paths that you can do after graduation. So this was one of the paths that they actually shared with us, and I was actually very intrigued by it. I always knew that I wanted to take a gap year before completing my university studies. This is because I wanted to ensure that the career choice that I chose for myself was the right one. So this program actually gives you an opportunity to pursue on-the-job training while actually enhancing yourself professionally as well. And on top of it, there's a sign-on incentive as well. And your education that you're basically pursuing is free of charge. So why not? Honestly, it was really very stressful for me because it felt like I was managing both full-time work and full-time studies. Plus, it was my first full-time job in the corporate world, so you can only imagine how stressful it was. But the key takeaway is that it was really beneficial for me because I really learned a lot and it's really a good choice for my career. Honestly, it was very challenging for me because it was my first full-time job, so I'm still dealing with the job fatigue, coping with my assignments, and still finding time for my family and friends. Then on top of this specialist diploma was straight away after my diploma, so I saw a lot of my friends going for post-graduation trips and starting their university life. So it did make me wonder if I actually made the right decision for myself, but the end result was definitely meaningful for me. Luckily for me, I had the support of everyone around me, my family, my friends, my lecturers, my classmates, and even my colleagues as well. They all played a very important role in these 12 months. Despite the ups and downs that I faced, frankly speaking, the whole 12 months were very memorable for me because of the people that I have met. On top of the people that I met, there's also this module called HR Analytics. So through this module, I actually found my real passion, which is identifying problems with the data and finding solutions for it. And it's because of this module that I learned my real strength and passion. Through this program, I actually benefited a lot. In terms of career-wise, I gained a lot of networks and expertise regarding the industry, and I believe that some of these connections that I have made will be lifelong. Personal-wise, I grow both professionally and personally, so a lot of things that I never knew about myself, I learned through this program. And there were also many mini milestones that I cleared along the way, and it has greatly shaped me into who I am today, and now I know exactly what career I'm going for. Firstly, don't forget about your purpose and intention for actually joining the program in the first place. These 12 months might be very tough for you, but with this knowledge in mind, you will make it all the way. Secondly, if you are planning to take a gap year already, then why not use this opportunity to grow both as a person and actually receive sign-on incentive as well. Lastly, for all my fellow HR people, if you wish to deepen your HR knowledge, then this is the program for you.